Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to jump on and show you some proof of the multiple income funnel and how many members are having success. But first, let me once again show you the offers that I have if you partner with me today. So let's just run down the page real quick. So we have, these are the videos. If you made it here, you've probably already seen these videos. Here's your link where you can join me, partner with me. You know, we rock this thing out because why? I'm going to help you. I'm going to be here along the way. You can contact me. You'll have access to me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not one of those fly-by-night people who you join and then they ghost you. You know what I'm saying? That's not real. And it's just, I mean, look, think about this. And here's why. And I always go on these freaking rants all the time. But listen here. You know, your success, my success is dependent on your success. So why wouldn't I help you? Why wouldn't I help you get traffic? Why wouldn't I create a team rotator to put you on to help you get traffic? Why wouldn't I show you the ins and outs of how to do things? Why wouldn't I? Why? Because, you know, our success is linked, right? If you're successful, I'm successful. The more I show you how to do it, the more I reinforce my learning. But there I am. I'm going off on a tangent again. The point is, if you partner with me, I'll be there. I ain't going nowhere. I'm in this industry for the long haul. Look, all I ask for you is to commit, you know, 2 hours a day, and we'll rock this thing out. Believe me, we're a partner, and I'll assist you as much as I possibly can. Because I help other people. Anyway, see, I'm tangent, jumping off. But anyway, join the multiple income funnel team, my team, and receive the following for income stream number 1, which the video above showed. And income stream number 2, which also the video showed. And these are the offers. And I'm only redoing this because part of automation is I use multiple videos for multiple things. Okay. So yes, I'm repeating it. My bad. But anyway, so the next thing, the next offer is if you come in at a little bit of higher level, you'll qualify for all of these on top of all of these. And believe me, when we do this as a team, mi casa, su casa, right? That's what we're going to rock this thing out. And so, you know, if it comes time for you to offer to your team some things to give them incentives, dude, I'm your plug. I got these all day, right? Right. So anyway, that's what this page is. Now, the reason why I'm here is I want to show you a sneak peek inside the Facebook group. And so how you get there is once you're in, right? So once you're in, you have complete access to the Facebook group. And all you do is watch step video number 1 and click, you guessed it, join the Facebook group. And I'll be there with, I'll have your sign, your name on lights and everything in the back office of this Facebook group, right? All ready for you. But no, seriously, people will be here and they will be giving you welcomes and, you know, all welcomes and welcome to the group and, you know, telling you all kinds of positivity. That's what this group is for. To provide social proof that it works, right? To provide support for like-minded individuals and to help you succeed. And that's what I'm here for as your personal guide, right? I'm your MIF friend. I'm your number one MIFer, right? Just call me that, right? But look, no, seriously though, we're all here to help you. You can ask your questions here, not technical support, but just like moral support, like-mindedness support, you know, mindset support. You know, the more positivity you have in your life, the more you give off that positive vibe, right? So anyway, check this out. So as you go here, you got welcomes, and believe me, we're going to throw a party for you. Shout outs once you make your entrance into this scene, right? Yeah, you're going to get welcomes just like this. Can you imagine? Everybody cheers, everybody knows your name, right? That's how it is, because everybody will know you once you get in. Now, as you can see, somebody walked in with a squad. You know, they got a little starting 5 right here. Sean Smith, congratulations to you. It looked like he brought 5 people in today. Congratulations. And you see how people are welcoming everyone. Here you got Daniel Kuhn. He had $280 before 8 a.m., which is awesome, right? It don't matter East Coast, West Coast, Central Pacific, around the world, it's always 8 a.m. somewhere. And believe me, you can get paid before 8 a.m. It's not that hard, right? So check it out. You scroll down, he got all of these sales. Everybody congratulates. Like I said, there's no competition. Now, part of what the social media group does, it provides you social proof that you can use to post. Like, you see how the names are blotted out? Well, you can just blot out their names, use them as evidence when you're doing social media marketing, and just be like, hey, look at my team having success with this opportunity. Would you like to be a part of a team that's crushing it? Da 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 da. Now, if you're on my team, you may have access to free promotional things to give away. Like, hey, you see how this rock star is crushing it right here? Would you want to be a part of this team? And would you check out my offer if I gave you a free fill in the blank, right? Right? That's just how my team does it. That's how we're going to do it, right? So anyway, so that's a little bit about the success right here. Let's jump over into the pictures here and see what people have been posting. All right, so these are $18 payments that are coming in from LeBlanc Winfield. Congrats, LeBlanc. Here's Albert Hall with some leads from income stream number 5. MLGS ain't dead. Here is a $200 commission and a $20 commission, all in the same day from Paolo. He made $260 while sleeping. Dude, if I made $260 while sleeping, I'm going back to sleep so I can make another $260. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I would. I know I'm kind of silly, but oh yeah, I said shout out, right? So that's what we do here. It's all a team effort. You have Nathan Kawatama, and he made his second sale, and it's 4 hours, so he's been in the group rocking it. We have more proof of just how the leads are coming in. This is a post that I made. I made a commission on income stream number 5 by sending one email a day to my 100 free leads that I get per day, and I generated a commission, right? Which is every bit counts, because I take that and I roll that back into my business, right? So here's another one from Albert Hall. He's got a couple sales today. He's saying welcomes. Rita Dibb, she knocking it out, right? Ashton knocking it out. Congrats to him. Here's another one for me. I had a $50 commission come in for income stream number 4. Congrats, Steve S.Dean. Natty La Chica, she had a good day where she made some money. So as you can see, it goes on and on. Then we also have daily wake-up calls, which are like at 11 Eastern, which provides training and mindset, right? So that's that. Then it's nonstop, right? So you see $20 here, another $20, another welcome, right? Another crushing it, another $20. Scott, congrats. Jeff, congrats. Rob Fraser providing content, right? Value to the group. Paolo yesterday showed his totals of what he's generating. Olale, he's making money, and the list goes on and on and on. And this isn't to brag. This is to show you that it is possible, from the smallest commission to the biggest commission. He made over 20 grand already, which is awesome, right? So that's how this system works. And that's a little bit of the proof of how it's working. You still have Ari. He's crushing it. This is just a promotion that we had. We had another John Yanotaka. We had Ashton, who's buying traffic. Jason Williams getting sales. He's getting multiple sales because I'm clicking. Claire is welcoming people, and you got people asking questions. You got content, positive content. You got Pualo. This is killing it, right? He got $2,000 payday, right? And a $20 payday. Multiple, because actually look at this number, 4. That means he got 4 of the same kind of emails because Gmail lumps it all together, right? And here's another from a brother right there. More welcomes. Rob Fraser cashing in. Total paid 17 G's, right? Which is awesome. Somebody promoting it on the back of their vehicle. It goes on and on and on. Somebody providing traffic stats. Somebody making, that's me. I made a $20 sale, a couple days ago. Then I turned around and made another $100 sale in the Elevation Elite, right? Which you can qualify for. You got people coming in at all day. So the sweet spot that I was talking about in the last video. So then, and then I made another $50 from somebody buying traffic, right? So not only did I just show my success, but I also showed other people's success inside of the system here. He had a $3,800 payday, right? So it just goes on and on. Another 540 payday. Another 2 G's from Jeffrey Ruiz. Mac Mills, I need you to look at this real quick. $53,058 transferred to his account on payday, Friday. Dude, come on now, right? So, I will say this, and this is me showing proof that I'm running traffic and income stream number 5. So yeah, I'm providing stats, and the team is providing stats, and those can all be used as far as helping you promote. But like I said, if you partner with me, I offer these bonuses here on this page, but also my assistance in getting you traffic, getting you set up, helping you through the steps, and being there as your accountability partner or helping you make the steps, helping you stick into a routine, helping you promote, helping you get leads to your business. Now, if you come in at the annual, like I said in the last video, that will show me that you're committed. Annual means you're in it for the year. One-time payment for the whole year. That's all we can do is drive traffic because you don't have that monthly payment no more. So that frees that up. And now any other budget that you have just goes into driving traffic, promoting on social media. And like I said, my free gifts are your free gifts if you're a part of my team. So anyway, take a gander down the page, click on the link right here, and get started today. Now, as I said before, there's a discount on the monthly fee. $97 is slashed 50%. You only pay $49 to get in, but I highly suggest you jump on the annual, so then you can qualify for one-time $200 payments for those who come in under you as annual, and you qualify for the monthly for anybody who chooses that way. But of course, the same sales pitch is going to come to you, and pretty soon I'm probably going to set up a rotator in this page right here. So, but anyway, with all of that said, partner with me. I'm here for you. Let me know once you're in. I'll leave my contact information. Actually, there's a messenger bot on the side of this page. You can always reach me. You can reach me from the back office. But anyway, like I said, I'm here to help. Partner with me, and we'll rock this thing out. But anyway, that's all I got. I'll see you on the other side. I'm out.